How to get back Google Docs to the normal size. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the simple way, easiest way, and it's depend on your situation, so what kind of normal size you want. So I will show you one by one. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let's start with the video. Okay, guys, so here we are. So the first situation may be you have minimized the the chrome view size. Okay, so you need to just click the control and just scroll your mouse. Okay, mouse, that mouse button, then it will be minimize or maximize. You have to make sure it is 100%, or you can simply go to this option. Okay, this is for your browser. If you minimize your browser size, then just click hold the control button and just scroll your mouse button. It will be minimize or maximize your size, so it should be 100 size. Okay, now just move to the another situation. Maybe you have make the page size, decrease your page size like this 50% or 75%, so you can make it 100%. Okay, next situation, maybe you have change your page paper size. So make sure you have select your desired size. So it is by default is A4. So maybe you have select any other size which is looks which is smaller than A4. So you make sure A4 and make the portrait and just select the OK, or you can make as a default. So you can click, you need to click on this save as a default size. I already make this default, so it is not visible to me, but you can make it default, so next time you will have the same size. Okay, and the next situation, maybe you have change this option to edit it to viewing. So when you click on viewing, so it will be convert in viewing mode. So here you can see the tools option is hide, and it is like viewing mode. So from here you can change from viewing to editing, so it will be come to the normal size. Okay, so that is situation, maybe situation you got. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my, thank you for watching.